Where I woke up today couldn't be more different than yesterday.
Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the sounds of the earth are like music. All the sounds of the earth are like music. The breeze is so busy, it don't miss a tree. And an old weeping willow is laughing at me.
Welcome to my new home. I'll show you around in a bit, but first let me tell you a little more about why I'm here. So first, let me clear the air. This is a temporary move. I've been calling it my temporary pandemic move, and I decided to come to the Outer Banks. So I've only just learned about the Netflix reality show. I have not seen it, but from what I'm told, where I'm staying and most of the island, that show is not a good reflection on the vibes here. I'm in a town called Waves. I know, it's called Waves. In Outer Banks, if you don't know, is in North Carolina, and I got myself a place from Verbo. So why am I here? Well, most of my work typically is on the road. I'm a broadcast journalist, and I travel, I would say 3 out of every 4 weeks in a month. That was pre-pandemic. And I've been work from home since March, and I've taken a few trips here and there, but most of my work has been from home. And I also run a couple of other businesses. So I juggle a lot of balls typically, and I'm pretty busy in the city. Well, I can be busy on the beach. And so that was my line of thinking. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm spending a month here in my little beach retreat. So what I hope to accomplish here is balance. I have a lot going on, and I try to maintain some balance when I'm home, and I do a poor job. So hopefully my motivation will be my favorite thing on earth, which is a beach. And every day my goal is to at least put down all the work, close the laptop, and make it to the beach at least once a day. Right. So enough of that. Let me show you around this place. I'm absolutely in love with this property. I'm about a 10-minute walk to the beach. This is an area where the coastline can shrink rapidly overnight, so you actually really wouldn't want to be right on the water here. But most days I don't even walk to the beach. Most days I drive and find a new part of the coast as my personal beach for the day. There's a lot of people of the sea here, kiteboarders, surfers, and this place is perfectly located for that lifestyle. This is a 3-bedroom and sleeps 6, a perfect social house, for family and friends should they decide to visit. Let's start with the living room. The aesthetics and the design are so clean and chic. And of course, that's me over there doing the same thing I do every night. Try and take over the world. Let's check out the first guest room. It has oh, hey, I see she's on the phone. Let's give her a minute. Can I give a tour? Okay, this space has a full-size bed, no window, but plenty of space. Down the hallway, and here's the second guest room. Oh, hey guys, apologies, but do you mind if I show off your room? This room has 2 twin beds and the window really brightens the space. The artwork in the whole house is from local artists, so if I fell in love with the piece, it's for sale. But it's the detail in each room that really excites me, down to the comforters and the throw pillows. Both guest rooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and there's a washer and dryer, which I'm sure I'll get great use out of. Now on to my room, my little oasis, a place where I rest and recover, and where the magic happens, like in magical dreams. And each morning when I wake up, I'm reminded of where I am in the most beautiful way.